What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today we're doing something a little different. I'm 14 and it's getting time to find a car and what I'm gonna drive, or if we're gonna build something, or if we're just gonna buy a car that I can just drive and that will be reliable. A couple weeks ago, me and my dad went and picked up a truck that needs a lot of work, but it could be really cool. This is my 1978 Ford F-150 extended cab. Has a 302 in it. It kind of needs a lot of work. It has a lot of dents and stuff in the bed and scratches down the side. But this thing was a work truck and has been sitting for a long time. So our goal is to get this thing running. And this truck could be super cool. So we're going to try and do as much as we can to this thing and make it look super awesome. First thing we're gonna do is install a new gas tank, some new fuel lines, and fuel pump, because we took out the gas tank on this thing and it was completely filthy and needed a new one. So that's the first thing we're gonna do. Materials we use is some fuel line, fuel pump, some electric for the fuel pump, something to cut the lines, and some clamp. If you don't know what this is, it measures and sends the fuel out of the tank. The bottom little hose is where the fuel comes out of the tank, and the top is where a plug plugs onto. That goes to your gauges that tells you how much gas you have. Then we ran the fuel line down the frame and up next to the motor. We got the old gas tank removed and just painted where the gas tank is gonna be black. We're gonna be doing this from now on. Everything that we take out, we're gonna paint behind it black just so it looks a little better. And right here, we're taking out the second tank so there's more room. Then we put in the new gas tank and screwed on the brackets. Right here, we're cutting the fuel line and putting in the fuel pump. Connect the other side, and now we can put on the clamp to secure it to the fuel pump. Right here we are making a connector for a fuse that is going to control how much power is going to the fuel pump so we don't burn it up. Connect the fuse just like that. Right here we are putting the negative wire to the frame. And we filled it up with gas, and now we're gonna see if this thing will start. Turned it over first time, didn't work, and the truck came with a second carburetor, so we took the old one out and we put it in, and now we're gonna see if this thing will start. Finally, we got this thing started, super pumped. Got Valvoline oil and a Wix oil filter that we're gonna put in. Already got the old one out, rubbed some oil on the seal, and screw this bad boy in. Now we can put in the new oil. Taking this thing out for its first drive, and pretty excited. Going.
Stops. Oh, the power steering feels pretty good. That's Ford.
Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Stay tuned for more videos on the this truck, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.